can't believe it. It's raining outside. Well, I hope Mark will be here any second.
Mark, I watched the football.
Oh, Mark, is it over?
Tom, you really gotta help me.
What do you mean you can help me? I can try to help you. That's all I can hear it.
It's a disaster. We have to see the window about the car smashing the phone box.
Okay. But that was an accident. I thought Billy would get thrown away.
I know. I guess we happened to left over then. You see all the storm? It passed away.
Okay. I hope I see you again, Mark. What's the matter, Tom? What's wrong?
Nothing.
I'm just a wee bit sad about that. Billy, be safe.